Okay, just put Woosh on the fire, which is a charcoal starter. Let's see what happens. Y'all ready? Well, that was anticlimactic. Hold on, it fell. One more. Come on. All right, there we go. There we go. Oh, yeah. There we go. That's my campfire. Not liking that wind blowing. I better, you know what? I better get some buckets of water and bring out here just in case. But it'll burn down after that lighter fluid burns off. Alright, well there's my campfire. And right over here, I got my charcoal going. I might need to whoosh that too. There we go. I love a campfire. So pretty. Well, that's what I'm doing tonight. What are y'all doing? Wish y'all was down here. I'd cook you hamburgers, feed you some cheeseburgers, and I bought stuff for s'mores. We'll see how that goes. Well, thanks for watching, everybody, from Lake Whitney, Texas, y'all.